I am going to teach you how to work single crochet in back loop. In class 2, we had learned how to work single crochet. Now, working single crochet in back loop is similar to single crochet, but there is a minor difference that will teach you. Now, I have this sample piece in which I have worked single crochet on back loops. Now, you can feel the difference between a piece worked with single crochet and a piece with single crochet on back loop. This material seems to be quite stretchy. So, single crochet when worked on back loop gives a stretch to the crochet work. Now, where this stitch can be used? Exactly speaking, it can be used for making baby beanies, baby socks or baby shoes, in which a stretch is required so that the crochet work fits the baby's hands, legs or head in a comfortable manner and gives a quite stretch. So this gives a quite stretchable look. Okay, so let's begin. First, for this sample, I'll make a sample of 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we need to skip the first chain and insert the hook into the second chain and work a single crochet. The first row of working single crochet on back loops requires single crochet to be worked in a normal manner. So to the entire row I will be working single crochet in a normal way, not on back loops. But once this first row is done, the second row there is a slight change which I will show you. Okay, I worked the 9th single crochet. Now in order to turn, I'll chain 1 and turn my work. Now as you can see, for each single crochet there are 2 loops. One is the front loop and the next is the back loop. While working a normal single crochet, what we'll do is we'll insert through both the loops like this. But since I am working on back loops, I will insert through the back loop. Pull the loop, yarn, I will have 2 loops on my hook, then yarn over and pull the yarn through both the loops. I'll explain once again. Now this is the front loop and this is the back loop. As you can see, this is the front loop and this is the back loop. So instead of inserting through both the loops, I'll be inserting into the back loop and pull my yarn through the back loop. I will have 2 loops on my hook. Now yarn over and pull through both the loops. So similarly, I will complete the entire row. Just watch out. Just insert into the back loop. Pull the yarn. We'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through both the loops. Just keep continuing like this till end of the row. So that's it. Again, chain over, turn over, chain 1 and turn over. Again, you have to go through the same way. Just go into the back loop, pull the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this way, you can keep on working for the desired length of the project. Whatever it might be, let it be a cap or a beanie or a socks. So whatever design, whatever project you have chosen, you can go with this design and make it quite stretchable. So isn't it simple? Now you can see how the crochet work looks like. It's look quite stretchable. You can see the stretch. Now as you keep on working more and more rows, you can easily feel the stretch, as you can see over here. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope it's clear to you by now. I'll show you a sample piece. Using the stitch, I have made a cap. You can see. This is the cap that I worked upon. You can see how stretchable it is. This is basically a single crochet worked on back loops. You can see how stretchable it is and gives a quite comfortable fit to the baby's head. So this is how this stitch can be carried out to work projects like this. Even socks, shoes, you can work the same stitch and look very pretty. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.